In the previous video, we chopped the onions and I showed you how to install this onion chopper. Right now, we want to finish all these veggies right here. Now we have the onion. I beg your pardon. We have the red pepper. Mine was quite old. That's why I put it out of the fridge because I didn't want to mix it with the fresh ones I've just bought. So now we want to mix the red pepper with the onions and we see how it looks like. I want to use it on still the same Bad Boy Chopper, right? So I got a new name for it, Bad Boy Chopper. For me, it does great in my kitchen. So you want to get your red pepper, or it can be green pepper, or the yellow one, and you want to chop it like this. Boop. To some people, this could be a very big piece. They will say that I'm wasting. But right now, we're in a tutorial and guys are getting the drill. So you want to get this inner part, take it out, put it right there. Make sure, some people love those seeds. I don't like them, so I like to put them out. So you want to cut it in half still. You want to make sure it's nice inside. I like to take out this, right? I like to take out that. Then the same story goes on right here, you know. Some people don't like to take it out. They say that's so nutritious, you know, that's what makes a green pepper. You know, people have very many stories about red pepper and green pepper. So now you have them in half right here. So if it's still so big and you want to make the work easy, chop it out like that. Do the same right here. See that? So you have 4 pieces. So I like to make 4 pieces. So put the cutting board aside. And now bring the Bad Boy that already has onion. So when I mix up with the red pepper. So you bring one piece, put it right here, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. See right there, if you can see it, it's ready to be executed. Now, look at that. So gently press down and boom. Chop number 2, sorry. Put it right here, still. That's how it looks right there. Then, boom. You see that? Number 3, do the same. Put it right here. Press gently. If it's not going down, it's because one side was stuck right here. Yeah. Then, just what you do. Chop number 4. Put it right here. Gently press down. Now we want to see how our red paper looks together with the onions. Look at those choppings, right? You see the things that are stuck in here? So you want to, if you try to use your fingers and they don't come out, then that's when you get this right here. It comes with the Bad Boy itself. Then just do that. And everything will be out. Very easy. I don't know why you don't like to cook your own food. If you're watching this video and you need this onion chopper, it's right in the link description below this video. So get it. You can get it for your mom, your grandmother, so that they stop, putting their fingers at risk, however much they are experienced, but you know, it's safety first, right? So if you're saving time on chopping, or if you're making your life easy on chopping these vegetables, then you have no reason as to why you cannot cook your own food. So I want to show you a close-up. You see, this is like a chef. It's like a chef passed over here and chopped this red pepper all by himself, just using a chopping board and a knife. But this time around, it's the Bad Boy Chopper for me. The link is in the description right now. Remember, we're done with the onion, then the red pepper. How about the carrots? This is Think Beyond Friday night. I'm putting more money in your pocket. Stop buying food outside. Stop spending money. You're spending too much money and it keeps you in debt. Now let's watch the next video of how we chop these carrots. If you still chop your veggies like this, you better save your time and fingers by purchasing this Bad Boy chopper that will give your food a professional look with just one press. Click the link below or the link in my bio to check it out.